Alright then, so this video is just a quick update on the Bankroll challenge that we started at the beginning of the year. So if you're unfamiliar, we did a Bankroll challenge starting with £500, and this is to simulate someone who's brand new to sports betting and has taken advantage of all the welcome offers, getting themselves a risk-free £500 to £1,000. We took it at the low end, £500, to try and make things more challenging. Now, after just 1 month, we have turned this £500 into £1,492. We have done this quite simply through plus EV betting. One example is this guy at the weekend decided to have a fantastic final round, giving us these fantastic wins here for the outright, top 5, top 10, all of which were fantastic plus EV value. Now, the other thing that absolutely anybody can do are the super boosts. They are so simple. We've done 78 of them so far, hit £10 a go, so that's £780 wagered, and we've won back £1,075. This is £295 very simple profit. Now, we've also managed to take advantage of some phenomenal arbitrage opportunities, which were around 30% in value. These don't come around too often, but when they do, you've got to take advantage of them. So January has been a really strong month, and hopefully we can carry this on throughout every month of the year. If you want to get started with your own Bankroll challenge, begin plus EV betting and see exactly what it is that I'm betting on, then just check out my Patreon. There will be a link below for this. I do all the hard work for you, saving you many hours a week of work. So all you have to do is just simply spend a couple of minutes a day placing the bets, and then just enjoy the rest of your day doing whatever it is you want to do. So I hope you found this video interesting. If you did, then please do give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.